Hello everybody, Scott the Beau again here with another quick fix for the RapidFix Dual Adhesive system. Here we have I guess you can call it some type of pulling type device. Paddles are made out of a plastic material. I'm going to show you how to repair it and fix the broken handle with RapidFix Dual Adhesive. First thing you're going to want to do is take and put a little bit of the adhesive on one side of the broken pieces. And the reason why we're doing this is the tear or the break on this is not exactly smooth. So using the adhesive alone won't work, so we're going to need to reinforce it. But once you get the adhesive on one side, get it lined up, push those two pieces together, and then what we're going to do is we're going to reinforce the outside with the adhesive and the powder. So you're holding it in place, put another little bead of adhesive there, and then take the RapidFix welding powder and go right along the crack. And then we're going to take and flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. A little bit of adhesive, and then the powder. And there you have it. We just repaired a crack and broken handle with the RapidFix Dual Adhesive system. In an application like this, I would recommend waiting roughly 18 to 24 hours if you are going to use it under high strength test to make sure it cures to maximum strength. But that's just another way you can fix your broken handle, various different things around the house using RapidFix Dual Adhesive system. Once again, thanks for watching.